everybody, to Cooking with Transition. Can you believe it's September already? And we're back in school learning. All right, here we go. Today, we're gonna make some baked apples. Our ingredients is 3 apples, sugar, and cinnamon. Our cooking utensils are going to be a knife to help cut the apples, some teaspoons and tablespoons to put some sugar in, and we also need a glass dish with a lid, our microwave, and some oven mitts because it's going to be really hot when we take it out. All right, here we go. The first thing we need to do is make sure that you wash your apples. Have someone help you. Second, we're going to take our knife and we're going to cut out the top of the apple. I've already done these two, but I'll show you how to do it. So have someone help you with this knife. It's almost like carving a pumpkin. All right, here we go. Now it's a little hard to take it out with the knife, so I am using a spoon. And it just kind of snaps out. There we go. Okay, guys. The next part is we are going to add 2 tablespoons of water. Oh my goodness, guys. Let me go get the water. All right, I got my water now. So first we're going to take 2 tablespoons of water and we're going to put them in our dish. Here's 1. Pour it in. Number 2. Pour it in. Okay. We're going to come over to our apples now. Okay. We're going to take 1 teaspoon of sugar and we're going to put 1 in each apple. We got our sugar. Let me do it over the napkin so in case I spill. Okay, here's 1 for this apple. And again, I overspilled, but that's okay. Here's 2. And 1 more for our 3rd apple. There we go. The next part, we're going to sprinkle some cinnamon. So, sprinkle your cinnamon. Here it goes. And a little more cinnamon. All right, guys. We're going to put them in our dish. Now, we're going to put our lid on our glass dish. We're going to come to our microwave. Now remember, my microwave, I need to push time cook. And we're going to put it on for 2 minutes. So I'm going to push the number 2 and the number 0, 0. I'm going to put them in. And I'm going to push start. All right, let's see what we get when they're done. Guess what? It's all done. Remember to put on your mitts. Have someone help you. Take it out. Very carefully remove it from your microwave. And we're going to let it sit for 3 minutes, okay? All right, guys, I think it's done. Remember, still wear your mitt because the lid may be very hot still. All right. Let's see. So enjoy. You can mix the top up a little bit. Enjoy your baked apples. Till next time, Cooking with Transition. Bye.